Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Today we're looking at a paper from the Hugging Face trending list, published on November 10th, 2025, about 2 days ago. This paper introduces Wasm, an Arabic-focused pipeline that preserves document structure in Markdown for interleaved multimodal corpora, and its Arabic-tuned filtering reports sampled exclusion rates of Wasm 0.00% versus FineWeb 2 1.766%, ARA 24 7.82%, Corpora by 8.605%, and dataset 101 19.757%. The paper is titled Wasm, a pipeline for constructing structured Arabic interleaved multimodal corpora, and the implications for model training are quite significant. Alright, Figure 1 summarizes how messy web pages become clean, structured Arabic data for training. The diagram shows raw scrapes turning into noise-filled data, then entering a data processing pipeline that applies cleaning, filtering, and deduplication, which means removing repeated chunks so only unique content remains. The pipeline outputs two ready streams, text-only data and interleaved multimodal data in structured Markdown. This flow matters because preserving layout and image links enables richer multimodal learning. So, Figure 2 shows structured output the pipeline produces, contrasting flat image and text pairs with fully interleaved documents. The left panel depicts captioned pairs, which miss cross-references and sequence. The middle panel presents one multimodal page, where images sit next to the relevant Arabic paragraphs, so context persists across segments. The right panel demonstrates richer structure like headings and bullet lists rendered in Markdown, which teaches models layout cues and long-range alignment. Well, Figure 3 lays out the end-to-end pipeline, which turns Arabic pages from common crawl into structured Markdown while keeping layout intact. The left stack shows metadata extraction, HTML standardization, and content extraction feeding a quality filtering framework. The right dashed block details tag-level filtering, tag-level deduplication using Needleman-Wunsch alignment, which is a sequence matching method that finds near duplicates, and document-level filtering with stricter language identification and tuned perplexity. The deduplication targets about 80% similarity, so repeated boilerplate gets removed without discarding genuine variation. So Table 2 illustrates why the perplexity filter matters, by showing real snippets the model rejected as likely incoherent or machine-generated. The left column lists the source datasets, and the right column shows messy text with mixed scripts, reverse words, or boilerplate that breaks natural Arabic flow. These examples clarify that the filter removes noise without discarding dialectal variety, which protects linguistic authenticity for training. Alright, Table 1 reports exclusion rates from the perplexity filter, which signals how much noisy text each source would drop. Perplexity here measures how surprising a passage is to a language model, so higher values suggest lower quality. Wasm shows 0%, indicating the tailored corpus stays within acceptable bounds. FineWeb 2 records about 2%, while ARA 24 sits near 8%. Corpora X approaches 9%, and dataset 101 reaches about 20%. So Table 3 contrasts design choices, showing how the pipeline departs from OBELICS to improve Arabic data utility. It applies balanced Arabic adapted quality filtering, which keeps scarce content while raising reliability. Document structure stays intact in Markdown columns, so models learn real layout and image links. Perplexity becomes a central gate with Arabic-tuned thresholds, and deduplication uses sequence alignment, a method that compares text strings to spot near repeats. The result is flexible output suited to both text-only and multimodal training. Wrapping up, two takeaways stand out. Wasm keeps full Markdown structure with interleaved images and text, enabling richer multimodal learning, and Arabic-tuned filtering plus node-level deduplication retains scarce high-value content while removing incoherent or machine-generated text. The result is stronger Arabic vision language models and a reusable pipeline. That is it for this episode of the AI Research Roundup. I am Alex. Thanks for listening.